Hi guys, I'm your mentor Aisha and welcome to Law Digest. Now recently there has been a press release by the Bar Council of India and there is a lot of ado about it. Now what is this notification about? What is this press release about? And how far does it affect us? We are going to discuss everything in this video. So before moving on, if you want to get such legal updates, what you must do is you must subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Now this press release of Bar Council of India states that Bar Council is of the view that students who wish to be a part of the judicial services and they want to give judicial service exams, they should have minimum 3-year experience at the bar. सो बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया का ये मानना है कि जो लोग जुडिशल सर्विसेज में पार्ट लेना चाहते हैं, एक पार्ट जुडिशल सर्विस ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हैं, उनको मिनिमम 3 इयर्स प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए एज एन एडवोकेट इन द फील्ड ऑफ लिटिगेशन. नाउ इफ यू वर रियली पेइंग अटेंशन टू व्हाट आई सेड, यू मस्ट हैव नोटेड दैट आई यूज्ड द वर्ड बार काउंसिल इज ऑफ द व्यू. सो विद दिस आई मीन दैट बार काउंसिल का ऐसा मानना है, बार काउंसिल का ये कंटेंशन है, दिस इज व्हाट बार काउंसिल फील्स एंड व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू रेकमेंड. सो नोवेयर डज इट से दैट this has become a rule or it has come into effect from the date of press release, that is 2nd of January 2021 से ये issue हो गया है rule that minimum 3 years is required in any case, because there is already a judgment of 2002 which says that such 3-year period is not required, is not mandatory to be able to join judicial services. Now what Bar Council is doing is, and how it is affecting us, is that Bar Council is saying that we are seeking modification of this order. They want to get this order modified and be changed to that it is mandatory that 3-year experience is required. Further, recently Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission has also issued a notification where they have said that they are seeking appointment of judicial service officers who have minimum 3-year experience at the bar. So Bar Council is also seeking an impediment in that particular proceeding as well. There is already a writ petition that has been filed to challenge it, but Bar Council is also seeking that they may also be made a party to this case, and where they are going to press that this matter is urgent, it requires the attention of the court, and 3 years should be made a mandatory requirement. Now looking at how far is it justified. So the reason Bar Council of India is citing for such a requirement is, firstly they feel that adjudication of cases is taking a long time because these people are not really qualified and they don't have experience at the bar, so they don't know actually how to dispose of the matters quickly. Further, they say that they are inept in handling matters, or they are impolite and impractical in their approach towards the members of the bar. So these are the concerns of Bar Council of India. Fine, their concerns are justified. Now what can be done to actually solve this problem? Bar Council can look at different aspects. There are a lot of aspects that Bar Council is ignoring at the moment, and they really require attention if the Bar Council really wants to improve the functioning of the judiciary. So firstly, the basis of every judicial officer is the foundation gets laid at the college level only. So Bar Council, who grants recognition to all law colleges, should ensure that the teaching is happening in such a manner that these people, all the students are provided conceptual clarity. They are not exactly taught from the point of view of the exam that they have to score good marks, or these are the number of questions that are going to come, all these questions you have to learn and write and whatever. So basically their object should be ensuring that at the college level only these students have good amount of conceptual clarity and they are very clear with their concepts, because if you're not really clear with the theory part of it, how are you going to actually apply it? Because law is actually both science and art. It is governed by fundamental principles, plus at the same time the art of interpretation, the art of deciding a case, or looking at the facts of the matter holistically, everything. All these things require both theoretical as well as practical knowledge. So speaking of theoretical knowledge, conceptual clarity should be given at the college level only. Then coming on to the practical aspect, moot courts and internships should be made compulsory. Also, not just compulsory, they should be accessible to each and every student. Not just the students who join moot court society should be able to, do moots, or those people who have good contacts, they should be doing internships. Each and every law student should have access to moot courts as well as internships. Attendance sometimes happens to be an issue with the students, that we cannot intern because we have to meet our attendance as well. So the curriculum should be designed in such a way that all these things are possible together. Then further, instead of keeping this 3-year criteria as the minimum qualification, the Bar Council should actually see that at the interview level only, all the issues that bar council feels is with such people, they should be checked at the interview level only, whether the person has the aptitude, whether the person is capable of joining the bar and being polite to everyone, being practical in their approach, how they can handle cases. All these things should be decided at the interview level only. Then further, once the student gets selected and he gets appointed as the judicial service officer, during his training, during the on-job training that is provided, it should be designed in a manner that he is able to get some practical knowledge, he is able to see how proceedings are conducted in the court, even if it requires extension of the time span for which this training is there, that can be extended rather than keeping 3 years as the criteria. Because what I feel, in my opinion, is that these 3 years might turn out to be waste for students who have always thought of joining the bench directly and not the bar. So it will create an embargo for them, and they might just get deviated from their focus. In those 3 years, 3 years is a big time to change your mind. So if a person really wants to join the bench, then this compulsion should not be put on them. Then further, for the female candidates, it's very difficult to buy time from the parents that we want to do complete our law school, and then 3-year experience we want, and then we want to give our judicial service exam. So eventually, when the person wants to join the bench only, then why not start early, and why to keep that 3-year gap? This is essentially my opinion as to the press release by the Bar Council of India. I'm sure a lot of students are anxious about it. What are your views on the same? You can mention the same in the comment box, and I hope that our voice reaches the ears of Bar Council.